Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Mobile Dungeon tier list. Best heroes to play. You know that feeling when a build absolutely destroys enemies in someone else's video. Then you try it, and suddenly you're fighting for your life against basic mobs. You have been there. After testing a bunch of popular dungeon builds, here's where I'd rank them. Mercy is one of those dependable picks that never really lets me down. The damage is solid, the sustain is great, and it handles most content comfortably, so it's an easy A tier. Candy Elemental is fun and satisfying when the effects start stacking, but the clear speed feels a bit behind stronger options, which lands it in B tier. Busted Rodolph is exactly what the name suggests. The damage is ridiculous, enemies vanish instantly, and it earns a comfortable S tier. Glass Cannon Mage looks amazing on paper, but one wrong move and you're basically a dramatic explosion waiting to happen. So C tier, Pre-Book Assassin rewards skillful play with great burst and mobility, earning A tier, while Void Assassin takes the formula even further and secures another S tier. Thang Paladin survives forever, but clears painfully slowly, putting it in C tier, while Fed Thorn turns enemy aggressions against them and quietly earns a respectable B tier. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.